I think I was just wondering if you were okay, because you weren't moving at all. She looked, yeah, we were worried about you actually. But she was saying, why don't they just go in? It's obviously not able to move. That's what we thought might be a problem.
It's just me being stuck at that one. It's as simple as that. I was being stubborn.
Well, stubbornness is a really good thing to stop in the States. Perfect.
That's in my place. Alright, we'll save that for next time. Yeah, it's good fun. Last time.
Winning by what I call the skin of my teeth.
And ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a nice warm and sunny Gibraltar, where the local time is 1 hour ahead of the UK, so it's now 8:15 in the evening, and the outside temperature is still 26 degrees. So for your own safety, please do remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until we have reached the gate and the seatbelt sign has been switched off. Before you leave us this evening, please do take a moment to collect all of your items from the seat pockets, underneath the seat in front of you, and the overhead lockers. And please do take care when you open the lockers, as the contents may have moved during the flight and they could fall out. We do ask families, please, who were issued with an extension seat belt and the infant flotation device to return these to the crew as you disembark today. So we're now leaving the car of our ground staff here, and they'll be happy to assist you should you require anything. Please do be advised the smoking restrictions still apply into the outside of the terminal building. Also, regarding your mobile phones, if we could just ask please that these are kept in flight mode, as restrictions still apply until you're inside the terminal building. Also, just for your information, any lost property found on board the aircraft today cannot be returned to the UK for security reasons and will therefore be handed off to our handling agents here. Finally, we'd like to thank you for choosing to fly with Monarch today. It's been our pleasure having you on board. So on behalf of the captain, the first officer and all of the crew, we'd like to wish you a safe onward journey. Thank you and good evening.
Well, it's very smooth, yeah?
Yeah, I thought it was going to be, as you said, it'd be quite windy.
No, it was very smooth.
Yeah, it did. Did well, the lad. So when this doesn't work,
Then once I've got that,
since when it's stopped. No, I'm joking, of course.
once I've got that, I've got to have
So you've been away, yeah?
The builder can't start until September anyway, so you can October.
It's a really bad time of year, isn't it, to be starting a job like that?
Especially using room safety. But I need it till
spring.
Can't win that.
No, I know.
Yeah. It's not fair.
For a mild winter.
Hopefully. Yeah, the foundations are already there, so I'm hoping it's actually 6 weeks off.
Cabin crew, prepare doors for arrival, please.
Oh,